Here we got a 1942 Chrysler with a lot of deja vu stuff here. Remember Pearl Harbor, V for Victory and stuff. Vote for Thomas E. Dewey, New York State Governor. Vote for FDR, Trump, Truman, Roosevelt, Truman. Got a flag here. Is that New York State? Oh, England. No, that's the New York State flag, I think. Sorry. Copy the original Build Street. It's got some music in here going here. The radio in this old car is playing some of his popular songs. The radio. That's original steering wheel. Roosevelt. You got your suicide doors. Pretty wild, man. Your you notice the wipers on this instead. Sometimes they go from the inside out, and sometimes they go from the outside in. But back then they were definitely went in different directions, like the way they got today. You know. They never got the middle of the window. And I think that started out like that, because even when they went to the window, that was the one-piece glass. They kept the same wiper design, and they started figuring, oh, we can get the middle of the window wiped. You know, that's why they were like that originally. Because they're two pieces of glass, and you couldn't wipe in the middle there. You know. So it's a 1942 Royal sedan. It's got roses in there. Got the old hat. You know, before, you know, guys used to wear hats all the time, like that kind of hat. And what changed the male styling was John F. Kennedy. President John F. Kennedy. You know, we see like Truman with a hat, Eisenhower with a hat, Roosevelt with a hat. But when JFK, John F. Kennedy came on the scene, he changed. He was a guy that actually freaking changed the style because the president wasn't wearing a hat. He was like the head guy, you know. So people don't know that. North Pole, Whiteface Mountain, New York. It probably is. House of Caverns. Should have a thing on there. This car climbed Mount Washington, New Hampshire. Be something else too.